Good morning, students. Today we are going to start your new chapter, which belongs to the nursing part, that is waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases, you must all have a vague concept ki what are the waterborne diseases, but actually what are we are going to study here. The definition is the diseases which are caused by the ingestion of water contaminated by human or animal feces or urine which contain pathogenic microorganisms. कहने का मतलब है वाटरबॉर्न डिजीजेस वो डिजीजेस हैं जो किससे होती हैं, वो पानी पीने से जिसके बीच में ह्यूमन एक्सक्रीटा या फिर एनिमल एक्सक्रीटा प्रेजेंट होता है, और उस एक्सक्रीटा में क्या प्रेजेंट होते हैं आपके पैथोजेनिक माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. वो ऑर्गेनिज्म विच कैन नॉट बी seen with the naked eyes, they can be seen only with the help of microscopes. There are a lot of bacteria, viruses, protozoa and parasites. They can cause the waterborne diseases when ingested. And how they are ingested? They are ingested through fecal oral route. Fecal oral route. Fecal oral route means your mouth. Whenever you eat or drink water outside which is not safe to drink, that causes the waterborne diseases actually. How they causes the waterborne diseases we'll discuss later. Next we'll see what are the important waterborne diseases. The important waterborne diseases which are included in your syllabus and you have to study it only, that are various bacterial diseases, viral diseases, protozoal diseases, worm infestation. There are a lot of waterborne diseases, but you have to discuss about these diseases only. First, we will discuss about the bacterial diseases. Bacterial diseases are the cholera, dysentery, typhoid, diarrhea, gastroenteritis. Viral diseases are the poliomyelitis, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C. Third is protozoal diseases. In protozoal diseases are the amoebiasis and giardiasis. And in worm infestation lies the tapeworm, roundworm, threadworm, guinea worm. Now we will have to study these diseases individually, and that will be uploaded very soon. Thank you and have a nice day.